Whoops. Miles an hour is not kilometers an hour.
The next day.
Got lights up here. There's somewhere on the other side of those trees there. I'm supposed to be able to get up. Back in Wisconsin, further north in Auckland. There's a road coming into Green Bay. Out there is Lake Michigan. Big old factory there. A big old bridge. Maybe staying here tonight, but maybe heading down to Milwaukee. Gonna have a look at a tool factory. Indiana.
The next day.
Pulled off on the side of the road last night, have a snooze back there. The $2 blanket I got from Walmart was brilliant. Woke up to a knock on the door this morning. It was a policeman. Well, started to rain outside and we can't really see much. Bugger it, still do 70. If we do 88 we can go back in time. So this is like 30 seconds later and we're good. And there goes some lightning again. So there's a big old storm going over apparently. Now I'm in Michigan. Things like that. It's still raining, even though I'm in Michigan. Who would have thought? The truck, however, is averaging at the moment 23.3 miles to the gallon, which isn't too bad for a big wagon. $60 to fill it. It's pretty good. Yep. So this is Kalamazoo. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I got a gal in Kalamazoo. Don't wanna boast, but I know she's a toast. Squirrel. Years have gone by. So this spot is where Abraham Lincoln gave his anti-slavery speech. Right there. That's cool. This park is in the middle of Kalamazoo. 19th longest main span bridge in the world. Lake Huron. That there is Lake Michigan. It is a seriously big bit of water. This is the bridge going into Canada. There's some monster locks down there. It's the old one down there, I didn't even see it. Probably have to get the drone up for this. That is a massive lock system. That is massive.
The next day.
I'm about there. And I've got to get way down. Trying to get this reform toe. And then down to Detroit.
Should be good. Jolly good. Okay, so does New Zealand look like Canada? Canada and New Zealand are pretty much the same.
1 hour later.
as we roll down this unfamiliar road. And although this wave is stringing us along, just know you're not alone, 'cause I'm gonna make this place your home. Settle down, it'll all be clear. Don't pay no mind to the demons, they fill you with fear. The trouble, it might drag you down. If you get lost, you can always be found. Just know you're not alone, 'cause I'm gonna make this place your home.
Right, so Lake Huron doesn't have any rocks. It's all sand. So I have to find something else to bring back instead of a rock. Yay. Found a stone way out of the beach. That's it there.
Later that same evening.
And back over to America.
Continue on I-69 west for 1 kilometer.
Settle down, it'll all be clear.
GPS is going to start using Imperial now and all them traffic circles instead of roundabouts. Very odd. Have I ever come across a traffic circle in the States?